Welcome back to Sean Home Decor and Design. Today we are exploring a versatile and stylish trend that combines creativity and functionality. Chalkboard walls for kitchen decor. Whether you are looking to add a playful touch to your home or incorporate a practical element into your daily routine, chalkboard walls offer endless possibilities. Let's dive into how this trend can transform your kitchen into a dynamic and interactive space. One of the key features of a chalkboard wall is its ability to serve as a communication hub for the entire family. You can use it to leave reminders, grocery lists, or encouraging messages for your loved ones. It's also perfect for jotting down notes and recipes while cooking. Keep you organized without having to search for paper or sticky notes. The chalkboard walls become a visual reminder of everything that needs to be done, adding both a personal and functional touch to your kitchen. A chalkboard wall also gives you the freedom to get creative with your decor. Whether you are at doodling seasonal art, inspirational quotes, or simply using it as a rotating art canvas, it allows your kitchen decor to evolve continuously. This feature is especially handy if you love switching up your interior design but don't want to commit to permanent art. It adds fun, interactive element that brings your walls to life while maintaining a sleek and modern look. For the food lovers and home chefs out there, a chalkboard wall is the perfect solution for organizing your weekly menu. You can easily display your meal plans or write down new recipe ideas for easy access. It's also an excellent addition for those who love to entertain, using it to showcase your dinner party menu or to create a cafe style ambience right in your own kitchen. If you're someone who likes to stay organized, a chalkboard wall can be an invaluable tool for scheduling. You can map out daily tasks, meal prep, or use it as a family calendar to keep everyone on track. With its large visible surface, a chalkboard wall ensures that important dates and reminders are always top of the mind. The flexibility to erase and update information makes it an ideal organizational element, especially for busy households. One of the greatest advantages of a chalkboard walls is its ability to bring style and functionality into small spaces. Even in a compact kitchen, a chalkboard wall can become a central feature without taking up extra space. It's a great way to add depth and visual interest to narrow areas like pantry doors or as an accent wall in the breakfast nooks. Plus, because it's multi-purpose, it eliminates the need for additional items like bulletin boards or calendars, freeing up more space for your kitchen essentials. A chalkboard wall can also serve as a playful and creative space for kids. While you're preparing meals, they can keep busy drawing, practicing their letters, or playing games. It keeps them engaged and gives them their own spot in the kitchen without taking over your cooking area. Plus, it's an easy to clean surface that can be wiped down at the end of the day, making it a practical solution for families. Chalkboard walls are a natural fit for those aiming to create a cozy farmhouse inspired kitchen. The combination of rustic elements such as wooden shelves or vintage inspired decor